Hey guys, Praveen here, and if you remember some of my previous videos, I've shown you a lot of designing dashboards. So I've compiled all those dashboards into 31 different dashboard sections. These are just the dashboards overview page, the dashboard main statistics page that we often see in web apps. So I've compiled everything, and it's now on the Figma community section. So if you go to my page, that is figma.com/@pravinjogi, you can see this 31 free dashboard sections page, and you can just open this in Figma, duplicate it, and do whatever you want with it. So it just has all these dashboard sections like this one, which is the dark mode dashboard, and with this one, this is just blue. My wife hates this, so maybe you'll like it. And something like this one, this has some visuals, some different sections, and this one, this has several sidebars, two sidebars on left, one on the right, and things like that. Yeah, so if you want to see how dashboards are built with in Figma, how auto layout in dashboard works, how colors in dashboard work, how these graphs, charts, everything works, you can just duplicate this file, see everything, go dashboard by dashboard, and play with it. And if you have any doubts, just comment in this Figma file or comment in below this video, and I'll try to help you out. So yeah, it's I'll leave the description, the link in the description, and let me know if you like this kind of free community resources. I do have lots of files, things I've made daily, so I can clean that up and upload those resources too. That has lots of dialogues, landing page sections, web app sections, everything. So yeah, let me know if you need that also. I can clean that up and put it in my Figma community. And if you visit my Figma community, there are lots of things. I recommend this Mina UI Tailwind kit, or this Tailwind CSS version 4 design system, and this Mina UI icons. So it's good. That's what I'll say. It's good. You can just clone it and use it for your projects. Everything's free here, and I plan to add more things. So if you have anything that you want in the Figma free resource section, just let me know and I'll try to make it. So yeah, and go through this file, see how everything's how the layout works, how all the statistics are layouted, or what fonts do we use for certain numbers, and yeah, let me know if you need anything else. That's it for now. Links is in the description. Don't forget to duplicate it and play with it. Bye bye.